friends, welcome to the ServiceNow world, and today we'll see part 6 of scenario based interview questions in ServiceNow. So as you know, in this series we are discussing about the real time scenarios which are given by interviewer during the interview. So without any delay, let's see today's scenario. So that today's scenario is in incident form, if state is on hold and if caller added any comments, then the incident state will automatically change to in progress. Means if incident is on hold state, if a caller added any comment in that particular incident, then their state will change to in progress automatically. So let's go to the instance and try to implement it. So now we are in an incident. So let's firstly open the incident record. So I'm just going to incident.list. Now I'm opening any of the incident. Let's say this incident only. Okay. So currently you see that this incident is in progress, right? So what I'll do, I'll just put it on hold. Yes, let's put it on hold. And I'll just give the awaiting caller. And because currently I'm logged in as a system administrator, let's change the caller as well. And just try to save it. Okay. It's asking for additional comments. So I'll just adding it. Okay, you haven't went to the on hold. Let's move it one more time. And I'm just saving it. Yeah, so now it's on hold, and currently if you see I'm logged in as a system administrator. So let's add one comment here. So I'll just add like test comments, and let's see whether it's changing to in progress or not. Currently we haven't implemented anything, right? Just we are testing. So if you see, we system administrator like caller added comments, but their state doesn't got changed to in progress. But the requirement is that like if caller added any comments, then their state automatically changed to in progress. So how we'll do that? For that we'll write before business rule. So I'll just open one duplicate tab here. Now go to the business rule. Now then click on new. Yes, so if you see now the new business rule form got opened. So I'll just check on advanced and giving the name. So giving the name as like change INC state to in progress. And I select the table, that is incident. And here I'll select the update. And now here we have to put some conditions. So what are the conditions? Like if state is on hold. So I'll just select state is on hold and additional comments changes. So what we want to do, if state is on hold and if additional comment changes, we want to write some logic. Logic is that what? So logic is that like if current logged in user is a caller, then only we want to change the progress. Then we want to change the incident state to in progress, right? So write if gs.getUserID equal to current dot caller underscore ID. Caller underscore ID is the backend name of the field of the caller. This one. If you right click here, you'll say caller underscore ID. And gs.getUserID will return the sys ID of the current logged in user. and here I want to change the incident state to in progress. So I'll just current dot state equal to 2. You may ask like why not in progress, why 2? So if you see here, this is the state field. If you right click here and if you click on show choice list, and here search with incident, you will see for in progress their backend value is 2. So I want to set the backend value, so that's why I've written 2, and I'll just saving it. So now our business rule is ready, and let's test it out. So I'm just opening the incident again. So let's test with this one only. If you see the current their caller is system administrator, and I'm currently logged in as a system administrator, and if you see the state is on hold, so if you'll add any comment, like I'll just adding caller comments, and I'm just saving it. If you notice, like I haven't changed the state, I've just added the additional comments, and I'm just saving it. Yeah, and if you see the state automatically got changed to in progress, right? Let's try with some other caller, right? So we'll choose one other user. So we'll go to the sysuser.list. I will take our favorite user, able tutor. Let's see whether, firstly we'll check whether they having the ITL role or not. If not, then we'll give it, so they will get the incident table access, right? So yes, they have the incident table, they have the ITIL role, so they are able to access incident table. So I'm just copying their user ID, and I'll just click on impersonate user. I just click on able tutor. So now if you see, like currently I'm logged in as a able tutor. So now let's check it out again. So I'm just going to incident, and this time I'll create new one. I'll select the caller able tutor, yes, and putting the short description like test st, and description test dsc. Yeah, rest I'll leave it as it is only, and I'm just saving it. Yeah, now I'll move it to the directly on hold. So I'll just awaiting problem test something like this, and I'm just saving it. So currently if you see this, their incident state is on hold, and now I'm adding additional comments, because if you see the business rule condition is like that only, like if state is on hold and additional comment changes, means if we add something in additional comment. So I'll just adding caller comments, and if you see currently it's on hold, I'm not changing the state, but when I save it, their state automatically got changed to in progress. I'm just saving it. Why? Because I have added the additional comments. So I'm just saving it. If you see that it got changed to in progress automatically, while we haven't changed this to in progress manually, right? So for this we have written this logic. Logic is very simple. We have written like before update business rule, then we put the condition like if state is on hold and additional comments changes, then what they will do, they have to check whether the current logged in user is same as caller. If yes, then they have to put the incident state to 2. 2 is the backend value of the in progress label, right? So like that, that's a very simple thing. One thing I just want to tell you from my experience, like whenever interviewer giving the task during interview, those are not very complex. They will not ask you to write a like a complex script. They will give a very simple scenario, and but sometimes these are like very tricky. So firstly listen carefully whatever the scenario they are giving, and then only try to implement it. Okay. And if you are not clear, you can ask one more time, like, can you please repeat, can you please pardon, like, I'm not able to get the, or maybe I missed it somewhere, like this. So this is a kind of tip you just remember during the interview. So I hope you got this very simple logic only. And if you have any queries, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Till that time, thank you. God bless you all.